Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Mom University, written by Rebecca Verenti, illustrated by Dara, I don't really know how to pronounce that. Before our mom could take us home, there was a test. Was there a test to pass? Somehow, she knows so many things. Did she have to take a class? She must have had some training or a manual to read. Did she know how did she have to study? How do moms come to be? Clearly, she prepared for us. We are her specialty. I bet she went to school so she could earn her mom degree. Class starts early in the morning, and they never get a break. Even if they're sick, there's not a day off they can take. Moms must learn to survive without much sleep or rest. It seems like a torture, and it is. It's the hardest part of the test. The moms learn how to cook our favorite foods and treats. They make us try the vegetables that smell like stinky feet. She learns how to cut the crusts the way we like, then try to trick her to believe crusts are tasty delight. They get quizzed throughout the day. Someone follows them around and asks them why 1,000 times to get a accusma to the sound. Seriousness 7, determination 9, immovability. They practice in a mirror each day and every day. They learn how to make a face that makes us listen right away. There's a class on kissing all your hurts and putting on bandages too. There's a class for rubbing sick tummies and comforting you through the flu. They know when it's time for rest, and they make you close your eyes, and they learn how to tuck you in bed and sing you lullabies. That kind of rhymes. Check, the books have been read. Check, her plans have been made. Not check, she almost mastered the gear. She's as ready as she'll ever be. Graduation day is near. The big day has come. Her work is done. It was worth the pain and strife. Graduation day is here. The best day of mom's life. Before a mom could grantee, there was much to learn, you see, but she didn't have to learn to love us. That came naturally. That really rhymes. That actually rhymes. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!